My name is Dennis Osodo, the director responsible for audit at Safaricom PLC. Today we are here in Bungoma to celebrate our first millionaire in the Greater Western region in the Shangwe at25 celebrations of Safaricom. This year, Safaricom marks 25 years since we started. 25 years of serving customers, 25 years of serving our communities, 25 years of growth and transformation. And it will bring in all our communities, our customers and our communities in this celebration. In this period we are celebrating, we're going to have 25 million winners across the country. And today we've got a millionaire here in Bungoma that we've come to hand over the check to. And the what they get go to serve their communities. Every time we get a millionaire in this competition, we also give them 250,000 shillings to support a community project of their choice. So today, in addition to the 1 million shillings that the winner has received, she's also received a grant of 250,000 shillings for a community project of her choice, which she has selected to support a local primary school. The projects that we do for this competition rewards all our customers and all users of our services, whether they are merchants, whether they are agents, or whether they're just customers. And there's nothing required to participate. Every Safaricom customer is enrolled automatically, every user of service is enrolled automatically, and every week we'll be getting a millionaire. Over the time we finish, we'll have 25 millionaires across the country. Today here in Bungoma, we've done to celebrate 25 years. We've just had a women empowerment program in the morning. So we met many women's traders to let them learn about the Safaricom projects, to get feedback from them of how we can serve them better, and to work together to partner for their business to grow and for our communities to also carry on. Part of the Safaricom at25 celebrations is community projects. So over this period, over the next, between now and 2030, over the next 5 years, we've committed that we'll have 500 schools across the country rebuilt from scratch to support education of our learners. All the schools that Safaricom builds are equipped with an ICT lab, so that they have computers that we can build learners that can face the future. So as Safaricom celebrates 25, we commit to Kenyans everywhere they are. That's why we say Safaricom popote ulipo. As we've come together 25 years, we thank 50 million customers who are with us, and we commit that the days ahead we continue to work with the Safaricom customers. So today we are very delighted to celebrate and congratulate Josephine as the first winner in Greater Western region, and to hand her over her winnings, and also to encourage all our other customers to continue participating in our draw and continue using our services.
Kwa majina naitwa Josephine Waswa kutoka Bungoma, Mabanga, Kasosi Village. Najihisi vizuri sana na mimi nilikuwa first of all nilikuwa kwa shamba napalilia miwa. Mimi ni mkulima wa miwa. So niko kwa miwa hivyo napalilia, nasikia simu inaitana. Kwenda kuangalia ni namba ya Safaricom 0722. Na nikasema hao watu wa Safaricom wananipigia simu juu ya nini? Ama nimetumia pesa mingi ya mtu anataka kureverse. Nikasema si wa reverse tu basi. Na nikachukua simu. So wakati nichukua hiyo simu na mtu akaanza, how are you Josephine Waswa? Nikasema I'm fine. Na akasema you are the lucky winner of 1 million shillings. Mimi nikawa tu nimeshangilia, nimefurahia. Na win that 1 million shillings, si nilitumia pesa mingi. I only used 19 bob kutumia bundles, na ndio my entries zikakuwa 25, and that was my day. It was on a Monday. Kwa sababu mimi ni mkulima, I venture into business ya kulima sana. First of all, juu ni pesa mingi nitanunua shamba sababu sina shamba. Then hiyo pesa itabaki, bado nitaendelea kuinvest more kwa hizo miwa, ndio niendelee kupata pesa mingi. Sababu hiyo ndio biashara mimi hufanya. Ile pesa 250 juu niliamua kukuzawadi community yangu ya pale penye naishi Kasosi Village shule, sababu hiyo shule haikuwa na desks. Sasa nika request Safaricom watengenezee grade 1 2 3 desks. Ndio maana niliamua kuchukua hiyo shule sababu ni shule yangu nilisoma from there in my primary. Madam, she is very happy. Hata ajui aseme nini, alihisi like kunibeba juu. Juu hakuamini mtu kama mimi naweza msupport na aweze kubuild those desks. Labda ungependa ujumbe gani ambao unao kwa Safaricom katika kushirikiana na hii miaka 25? Mimi nataka tu kuambia kwamba sina la kusema, I'm just speechless. But thank you so much wata Safaricom. Watu wengine pia waendelee kushinda, na wakishinda zaidi pia jina itaendelea kwa juu. At Safaricom ni kampuni mzuri.